Our worksheet builder makes bringing your ideas to life super simple, but coming up with worksheet ideas can sometimes be time-consuming, and maybe you just want to grab a lesson and go. And that's where we've got your back. Open the templates from the app's start screen. Here, you can sort by level or subject, browse our list of categories, or search for something that takes your fancy. Open a template and flip through the pages. The real power of our builder comes from how easy it is to edit. We believe in teaching what you want to teach your students, not being forced to teach a pre-made worksheet. So, not a fan of pilots? No problem, pop in an astronaut. By combining our worksheet templates with our image library and any external images you find, the possibilities are endless.